This guide will walk you through the critical settings for cleaning, compressing, caching, and streamlining your site for a massive performance boost. Get ready to transform your site's speed and user experience. Our first step is installation. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New. Search for WP Optimize, then download and activate the plugin. Once active, navigate to the WP Optimize tab in your sidebar to reach the Optimizations panel. This is where we start the essential process of database cleanup. Over time, your database accumulates unnecessary clutter. We're going to tackle two major culprits: post revisions and database tables. First, select Optimize Database Tables. This function compresses and clears out leftover tables from old or uninstalled plugins. Think of it as a digital house cleaning that allows WordPress to fetch information more quickly. Next, check Clean Post Revisions. Every time you edit a page or post, WordPress saves a revision. Removing these old revisions significantly lightens the database load and improves overall load times for your visitors. Let's dive deeper into cleaning. We have three more critical items to address. First, we need to remove trashed posts and comments. Old deleted posts, spam, and unapproved comments all take up valuable database space, slowing down query performance. Second, we'll remove expired transients. Transient data is cached information that often lingers unnecessarily after it expires. Pro tip: always back up your site before running these deep optimizations as a safety precaution. Finally, it's time to run the optimizations. You can run each one individually, or for convenience, use the bulk run option. WP Optimize will process each tool one by one until your database is clean and fully optimized. After the run, review the detailed results to see exactly how much space you've reclaimed and the performance you've gained. Now let's move to two of the biggest speed game changers: image compression and page caching. Under the image compression settings, toggle on Optimize and Compress newly added images. This is crucial for improving page load speeds. Choose a quality level, typically 80 to 90% is ideal, to monitor file size reductions without sacrificing visual quality. Next, open the Cache tab. Caching is the most powerful speed optimization feature. It stores temporary pre-rendered versions of your pages so they load almost instantaneously for subsequent visitors, dramatically reducing server load. Toggle on Enable Page Cache to activate it. If you ever update a page but visitors still see an old version, simply use the Purge Cache option to clear the stored files and force fresh content to be generated. Let's unlock the advanced performance features. First, preload settings. Preloading crawls and preloads all URLs on your site, ensuring faster page delivery even on a visitor's first click. You can even set a scheduler to keep it running automatically. Next, enable GZIP Compression. This compresses your site files before they are sent to browsers, reducing load times by a massive 50 to 70% in many cases. Just click the Enable button for instant gains. Finally, let's talk Minification. Minifying removes extra spaces, line breaks, and unnecessary characters from your JavaScript, CSS, and HTML files. This makes files smaller and easier for browsers and Google to process, improving both load times and SEO. Simply toggle on HTML minification, JavaScript minification, and CSS minification. WP Optimize handles the technical complexity automatically, giving you a streamlined, optimized codebase. We're in the final stretch. Briefly review the JavaScript and CSS settings for combining and deferring files, and the fonts and advanced options for future tweaking. For a basic setup, the defaults here are excellent. Congratulations, you've now configured WP Optimize across database cleanup, caching, compression, and file minification. These adjustments alone dramatically improve site speed and user experience. Your visitors will notice 50% faster load times on average, a 30% reduction in file sizes, and a 100% better user experience.